guys, welcome back to the channel. I don't know why I do this. You hear me bouncing? It's because I'm on a yoga ball right now and it's a lot of fun. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I'm going to be trying a lot of new products, which is really exciting for me. This is the look right here. I really love it. I just felt like beating my face one time real quick. You know, the highlight is new, eyeshadow is new to me, foundation, concealer, everything is new to me. I gotta sneeze, I gotta sneeze. If there at any point in this video, if you guys like it, please make sure to press the like button down below and subscribe if you are not already. We're so close to 150k and I'm really trying to hit it before March ends. I think we're gonna do it. Let's get this get ready with me started. So everybody, so I'm in my robe. So I figured we should just start off with skincare for this, because why not? So I was going to wash my face so I could do the face mask, but then I saw this product right here and I realized that I've never used this product. It's just been sitting in my cabinet, so we're gonna be using it today, because why not? We're trying new products today. So this is the Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser Conditioning Face Wash. It has a really pretty packaging. I love how that looks. So I'm just gonna be wetting my face real quick. Sounds like it's screaming. About 3 pumps of that. So it doesn't set up or anything. So weird when I wash my face, I'm like, you really like to get in there, you know? Well, my face feels clean. This is definitely like a lighter cleanser. So if you're into light cleansers, then this would be a really good product for you to use. Skin does look like brighter. Does that make sense? I don't know. It looks brighter. I don't know if you guys could really tell. It just looks clean. So I don't mind this product, but I definitely like to use something that suds up. Now let's move on to the face mask. I pooped really quickly. Let's ignore my hair for a second because she don't know what she's doing right now. So before I start my makeup, I always like to do skincare. So today I'm gonna be using the Art of Luxury Skincare face mask, the Aurora Pearl Mask Pack Brightening Effect. So this is gonna help to brighten my skin, and look how pretty. So I like to massage my sheet mask before I put it on. She wet, honey. I love and hate how these feel. My edges need some moisture too. Ooh, we got some juice. I can't really talk that much, but I got this from a FaceTory subscription. This is not sponsored at all. I just think it's a really cool thing. FaceTory is a subscription service that sends you face masks. I love their aesthetic. This face mask actually came with like all of these, so I got like 8 face masks. Okay, so it's been quite a while and I just took off the face mask, as you can see. I'm gonna massage some of this into my skin, and like my skin almost looks plumper. I do want to use other face products, so I'm just gonna tap away some of this. Alright, then we can get started. I'm so excited to use new products. The whole video is not going to be only new products, of course, because I don't buy enough to have all new products, but most of it is going to be new products. So I'm going to be continuing with skincare. I'm going to be using the Hydra Boost collection by Neutrogena. I've only used this one, and actually shout out to Neutrogena because yesterday I emailed them saying that I ran out of makeup wipes and that I would like some more, and I really like this gel and I would like some more if they can give me some of that, because I just really like it. And they sent me a whole box. I'll insert the video here, like, of stuff. So thank you so much, Neutrogena. Thank you for blessing my life. So first we're gonna start with the eye cream. I have used this before, but I haven't used this in a while, so it looks like they changed their packaging also. This is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Gel Cream. Like a little bit on our finger. I love to use under eye creams because it really helps with the concealer. And it's really cooling also. I do a lot of PR unboxings, like beauty unboxings on my Instagram channel. Yep, Instagram channel. On my Instagram account. So if you're not following that, make sure you do, because I'm always posting like my life and also like all the PR boxes that I get on my Instagram story. Might as well follow me on Snapchat while you're at it. Snapchat is like my social media that is more like personal, I guess. It's both ways, depends on how I'm feeling. Next, I'm gonna be taking the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Hydrating Serum. I love serum so much. I've never used this product. So good. It smells like vacation, and it's snowing outside and it's almost April and I just need a vacation, honestly. I've been wanting to go somewhere for spring break, but so expensive and I started planning too late. Okay, so lastly, to finish up skincare, I'm gonna be taking the cream gel. I love this because it's such like a liquid consistency and it just feels like it's doing the job, you know, like it's cooling my skin, just makes it look really good. I think we are good with the skincare. Now let's move on to, I don't know if I should do eyebrows or like what. I don't even have my eyebrows. Oh no, this is gonna fall. If you're into rose water, then get yourself this candle from Bath & Body. I freaking love this. Now we're gonna move on to brows. So I always use Benefit brow products, but I've never tried this one. The Benefit Brow Zings in the color 6 and Shaping Kit. I'm using this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil gel what? I've been breaking out like crazy lately. Like probably because of the setting on my camera you can't see it, but I have like a couple pimples here, here. It's all because of stress, honestly. Like I don't know what I've been stressing over. Insecurity type things, and I actually made a video on like some of my insecurities. It's my last video if you guys would like to watch it. I've gotten a lot of like lovely feedback on it, so thank you guys so much for caring about me and taking the time out just to like listen to me and leave a comment and trying to uplift me. Like thank you so much. The feedback that I got on that video was just phenomenal. I'm just gonna do a natural brow. I don't really do the fleeky brows anymore. All the products I'm using aren't like new, like they just came out. Like they're new to me, like I'm trying them for the first time. I don't know if I want to use a Neutrogena Healthy Skin Liquid Makeup or if I want to use like this Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream. I'm gonna go with the whole healthy skin kind of look since I already use the Neutrogena products. Like why not? I think Kerry Washington, that's her name. She's like in Scandal. It was her exact color. So I swatched it and it looks like it's my color too, which is kind of like weird because I feel like she's darker than me and this is a light foundation, so I don't know what the truth is. So as a queen, Allyannah always says, if you're going to be using a foundation, you should use the primer that it goes along with. So I'm going to be taking the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Primer. I have used this many times, so I have never done this before. But underneath my foundation, I think I'm going to use a liquid highlighter. This is the Dermablend Glow Creator Multi-Use Liquid Highlighter. I've tried this on my cheeks, like to highlight over here, but I've never tried it on my face. It's multi-use, so let's see how that goes. This is like an Instagram tutorial. I look like I've been in the sun for a very long time. Alright, so I really hope this looks good. I'm gonna be taking this foundation. I hope it's my shade. Might be like a perfect match. I hope the undertone is good. Another thing I forgot to mention in my insecurities video is that I haven't been really posting on YouTube because I haven't been wanting to put on any makeup or do my hair. I feel like it's such a like, I don't know. I used to love doing my hair and makeup, but then it just became like a chore. Like I hated to do it. It's only like random times like this where I would get motivation to get on camera and do my makeup and do a video for you guys. I just haven't been feeling it at all. So that's also one thing that made me feel like really insecure, like kind of like ugly, because makeup makes you feel good about yourself, you know? Like I feel good about myself without makeup. I love myself without makeup. Like if I were to take off this whole face, I'd be like, girl, you rude as hell. No, just I like to feel pretty. Doing my makeup and hair made me feel that way. Making that video was hard for me because I've never sat down and just talked about my feelings. Really interesting to see what came out of it. Like I almost cried. I did cry actually in the video. I've never done that on camera, so it was kind of weird. Kind of like relieving that you guys would see that part of me. What am I doing? Alright, so I don't know if I like the coverage yet. I feel like cakey, but I always feel like that with makeup, so that's why like I just don't do it anymore. So I just got this package. I was actually gonna use a different concealer. I was gonna use this NARS one, the Radiant Creamy Concealer, in a different shade. They sent me the Flex concealers, which I've been wanting to try for such a long time. So I'm just really excited to use this. I see a contour shade, I see a concealing shade, so I'm excited. Makeup companies usually make PR packages really fun, so they sent me marshmallows and it says Flex on them. So cute. I'm gonna eat one actually right now. Wait, can I use the paper? I hate the paper, so I'm guessing it's edible. Thank you so much, Milk Makeup. I really appreciate this. I might have to mix concealers, I don't know. It looks like this would be my shade, but this looks really light and pinky. And I think I'm gonna use this for a contour shade. I've been wanting to try these for so long. I want to try a lot more Milk makeup products because they're bomb and they're for like natural looks, which is what I love to do. I might have to put kind of a darker one on top because that looks a little bit light, so let's just put a tiny bit of that. This would be my perfect shade if it had like a warm undertone. So for concealer, I use the shade Medium Tan, and for contour, I'm gonna be using the color Warm Deep. Also, I've been using a beauty blender to blend this out. So I definitely think they need more shades. I love that the contour has a warm undertone, so it matches really well. It doesn't look horrible, but I would definitely appreciate a warm undertone concealer. We looking okay. With the powder I usually use, I don't really like this powder that much anymore. Like it works sometimes and sometimes it doesn't work. I think it depends on like what my skin is feeling that day. So I'm just gonna take this EcoTools powder brush. video is going up on Thursday, but like this video if you didn't have school yesterday because of the storms. I did, and I'm angry about it, and they're about to take away a day from spring break, and I don't want them to do that because I want a break. So as we are slicing the contour, it's closer. I think this is the closest I've ever been. Kinda insecure about it. But we are gonna move on to eyes. If you guys have any suggestions to like help me with my little bumps, I don't know if you could see it. If you have any suggestions, please leave them down below. So for eyes today, I'm so excited to be using this baby right here. This is the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. How pretty, look how gorgeous. I love this so much. I think I'm gonna be doing something that matches my shirt, so I posted on Instagram. So definitely gonna be working with like these colors. I don't really know what to start with first. Let's use one of these concealers, use as a primer. So I'm gonna be taking the lightest shade, Fair. So we got our base going, looking good. And I used the crap out of the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, so I'm really excited to dip into that. Like, looks very used up, dirty. She still looks really good though. Like, oh, I might want to use one of these colors. No, we're gonna use the new one. On a fluffy brush, I'm gonna be taking this yellow color. Gorgeous, so gorgeous. I'm so excited to be using yellow. I haven't used yellow ever, I think. This place has some of the best eyeshadows I've ever used. Their packaging is quality. Like, this is quality packaging. I love how pretty it is. I love that yellow. Good, now we leave here like that, but no, we're going to do other things. I'm gonna be taking one of my favorite brushes. This is the Wet n Wild brush. It's like a fluffy angled brush. Dipping into that orange color. Now I'm gonna take a bit of the pink and put that on my outer corner. I love. I'm not really an eyelash user that much, so I just use the basic ones. I don't know why I get unmotivated when literally when I'm on camera I'm like so happy, like I'm just chilling, like I'm like this is so much fun. But it's like once you hit your bed and you're in the dark, you just feel messy. That's when like you just get unmotivated. It really sucks, and I need to find a way to like really uplift myself. Like I used to uplift myself so much, but I don't know, life's just been getting the best of me. I'm here to talk on camera about my feelings, but it's getting easier since I did that last video. So as you guys saw, I tried to tightline. It was really hard. I didn't want to start crying, so I just stopped like here. Some liner right here, just because I used to love like the dark effect in the outer corner. I think I might start doing that more. I used to do it a lot with eyeshadow. Now for mascara, I'm gonna be using the Super Fanned Out Mascara by Smashbox. I never used this before. Excited for it. I think this was a collab with Superwoman, so I got a Superwoman PR package. I really need to try the method where you put on mascara before lashes. A lot of people do that, like Jackie Eyed and all like the big beauty gurus. So we're basically done with the eyes. I'm gonna add a finishing touch after my eyes dry because I don't want to like start crying. For blush, I'm gonna be taking the Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette by Juvia's Place. So freaking pretty, I can't. The highlights are really pretty too, but I'm gonna be using a different highlight palette that I just got. So for blush, I think I'm gonna take this orange one. Big brush. So for the inner corner highlight, I think I'm just gonna take this color from the same palette we were using before. I wanna spritz it so we get like that bomb highlight look. Yes, that is what I'm talking about. And then for lower lash line, I think I'm gonna take more of that pink just to balance it out. Since my skin's looking a little bit, you know, dry and patchy here, I'm gonna be taking the Pixie Glow Mist. I think I've used this on camera before, I'm not sure. This is really good at hydrating. I've never used it on like a full face. Old speckles in it. See how it just made me look like really glowy. For highlighter, we are taking the Morphe Bretman Rock Babe in Paradise palette. Really cute. I ordered this as soon as he posted that it was live. Has such beautiful shades. I've been using it and it's nice. I love highlighter palettes because you have so many different colors. I'm these colors right now, but I know this one is gonna look really, really good in the summertime. It also came with the fan brush. So I think that I'm gonna be taking this color, which is called Shio. I really know how to pronounce it. Like a rose goldy kind of color. Yeah, that's pretty. It's like pinky undertone. Whoa, she is glowing. I feel a little oily, so I'm gonna take a little bit of this powder. my forehead, I mean everywhere. That is really oily. That's much better. And then lastly for lips, you guys know I'm very simple when it comes to lips. I'm just gonna be taking the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Angel Food Cake. Alright, JK, I'm gonna be taking the Milk Makeup lip color in the color Wavy. Maybe I could put a little bit of the lip color on top. So I'm just gonna do my hair and then I will be back. Ooh. So you have reached the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys to comment down below what your favorite parts of your face is to put makeup on. I don't really know how to reword that. I think mine might be my eyes and my eyebrows. I never used to like the size of my eyes because I feel like really nothing to work on, but I don't know, my eyes really, this whole part of my face, I love it. I love this part so much. Like maybe like this much. I mean, I'm not putting makeup everywhere, but I feel like it's my eyes and my eyebrows that I like the most. So comment down below what yours is. Make sure to like this video if you liked it, because you watched this far, you might as well like the video and subscribe since you watched this far. And follow me on my social media if you are not already. It is lit over on that side. That's basically it, and I'll see you guys very soon with a new video. Peace, I love you, bye.
I'm still off when I enter the building.